So we have to make sure that we don't get in the way of the train as it comes careening down the tracks. I almost feel like I'm in an Austin Powers movie right now.
No!
Get out of the way! Get out of the way!
Think we can make it?
I think it's picking up speed. This is ridiculous. It's just like, la la la. I wonder how long the train is itself. And why it stopped.
That's it right there.
Is it?
I don't know. No, I don't think
No,
so.
it's pulling cars. Hallelujah.
That is the slowest train ever.
Believe it or not, it is actually picking up speed. Because it's going faster than when we got here. I think it was like a dead stop when we got here.
They wanted to make sure they slowed down enough.
Yeah. Do you think there's another train on the other side that we don't see, that they're like racing? This is like a train drag race?
Slow and steady pisses me off.
Can you imagine if that was like a spectator sport? Train drag racing? Don't tell me they're slowing down. Does it look like they're slowing down to you? Or is this their steady pace?
I think it's picking up speed still. It's going an even 20.
Gotta mind the speed limit, you know. What is the speed limit here? Like 35?